Hey guys, this is just going to be a quick video to show you how to easily replace the things your client's hair is lacking in a short service that you can add on at the salon. This is Nicole's before and after. I blended in her old highlights, added shine, bond strengthening, moisture, and protein all in just 20 minutes. And this is a service that I call Refresh, Repair, and Replace. Starting off with the Refresh, that is what I call a toning glaze. She has highlights, old highlights from the summer, and every fall she likes to tone them down and blend them in, but we like them to pop out. We usually just do like a 6N neutral. I did something different this time, a different formula, but we always use Redken Shades EQ Gloss. The formula for this is 6WG and 6NB. I let that sit on very towel dry hair after clarifying hair with the clarifying shampoo. And then added also 1/8 ounce of Olaplex to that formula, which would be the repair. And if you don't know what Shades EQ Gloss is, it is a beautiful iridescent color used it's a demi-permanent that will fade off over time. So what is great about this is that normally we would use a 6N if we wanted to color match her, but I wanted to try something different, so I did something a little bit warmer and richer. It was beautiful. You have room to play. You can do what you want. If your clients want to try something different, it's going to fade off over time, and it's fun. I let that sit for 20 minutes. I rinse, lightly shampoo, towel blot again, and then I go ahead and I add, for the replace, I replace the moisture and the protein that could be lost in the hair just throughout normal daily use. Even if it's a client that never uses a chemical on their hair or heat, when hair is long, it is old, hair is dead, it blacks that stuff, so it'll need to be replaced either way. And after that, I add, for the moisture and protein, I add Redken chemistry shots. I did 3 pumps of the Extreme and 3 pumps of the Color Extend. There is also a volume and a All Soft. I always just keep these two though because they work very, very well. I let that sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I use the 3.5 fixed phase pH sealer. That is for chemically treated hair. I sprayed that on the hair, ran my fingers through it, and then I rinsed, and voila. This is the Refresh, Repair, and Replace. We refreshed everything. We've repaired her hair with the Olaplex, which is repairing the bonds. And then I replaced the Extreme, the protein and the moisture. And we get a beautiful, natural look with shine. Her highlights aren't covered. They're just really toned down and blended in. This is something that'll last her through the winter. She does come on a regular basis to get trims. If I need to refresh it, then I'll just throw the glaze again through the ends. This is definitely something, even if your clients are just getting a retouch, you can also do the same thing while their retouch is processing. If they are just getting a haircut and you're feeling their hair is dry and you have the extra time, you could offer this service. I actually put it out there as offering it so I know to add the extra time, but it worked. This is a great way to keep your client's hair in good condition, because you know, when your client's hair looks amazing, people are going to ask about it and your client is going to love to refer you. If there is something special you do for your clients for the same idea, please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear all ideas. If you have learned something new today, if I've helped somebody out, that is my goal with my channel. Appreciate you watching. Thanks for stopping in. Make sure to put a thumbs up below if this is something that has helped you, and subscribe to my channel to come back for more of those tips and educational videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be back soon with more. Bye.